Hey there, feeling a little lost in the jungle of PL-200 preparation? Trust me, you are not alone. We have all been there, drowning in study guides, unsure if we are focusing on the right things. You have probably spent hours scouring the internet for decent practice tests, only to find, well, let's just say, they were not exactly what you are hoping for. Most practice tests just throw a jumbled mess of questions at you with no real structure or guidance. It's like they expect you to master Power Platform without any real world applications. That's why we decided to create something different. Something that actually helps you learn and understand, not just memorize. We started by organizing our practice test according to Microsoft official exam categories because mastering these areas is the key to passing the exam and, more importantly, becoming a real expert in Power Platform. Let's break it down. Microsoft Dataverse. This is where you will manage and store data, setting the foundation for your Power Platform solutions. Microsoft Power Apps. Here you will dive into building low-code apps that transform business processes, customizing solutions to meet real-world needs. Microsoft Power Automate Cloud Flows. You will learn how to automate workflows and integrate services, making sure everything runs smoothly without manual effort. Microsoft Power Pages. This is where you will create secure, low-code websites that allow for external users to interact with your data. Microsoft Power Platform Environments. Finally, you will understand how to manage environments, ensuring your solutions are organized, secure, and scalable. By organizing your learning this way, we are helping you to focus on what matters and track your progress in each of these crucial areas. But just knowing the categories isn't enough. You need to understand how they came together in real-world scenarios. That's where our series-based questions come in. These are not just random questions. We have grouped them into series so that you can tackle situations from multiple angles. Imagine working on a project and needing to apply different Power Platform skills at each step. That's exactly what these series-based questions prepare you for. It's like a real-world deep dive, helping you not only understand Power Platform but how to apply it in real business challenges. And because real-world practice matters, we have included case study-based questions. These will give you the chance to think like a Power Platform professional, working through scenarios just like the ones you will face in your career. You won't be checking boxes, you will be solving problems. That's the kind of experience that sets you apart in the exam and in your job. And here's the best part. We know that sometimes just getting the right answer isn't enough. You want to understand the why behind it. That's why every single question in our practice test comes with a detailed explanation and a direct link to the Microsoft official documentation. So if you ever wonder why, we have got you covered. You won't just memorize answers, you will truly understand why behind them. Oh, and one more thing. The real world Power Platform is constantly evolving, but don't worry, we have got you covered. Our practice test is regularly updated with the latest questions and trends, so you are always ahead of the curve. And if you ever get stuck or have a questions, our dedicated support team is here to help. Just reach out and you will get fast, helpful answers. And if something requires expert insight, we will even bring in our project implementation team to make sure you get the best possible support. With over a decade of experience, we know what works. Thousands of students have succeeded with our materials, and we have poured all that knowledge into creating the most effective practice test for you. Everything is designed with you in mind, from how the questions are formatted to how they flow. You won't be overwhelmed by confusing layouts. It's all about clarity and focus, so you can concentrate on what really matters. Imagine yourself walking into that exam room with complete confidence, knowing you have got this. And then picture yourself landing that dream job, using your Power Platform skills to make a real impact. This is within your reach. This is your future. Take the first step today. Start your journey with the PL-200 exam practice test and unlock your full potential. Join a community of like-minded individuals who are striving to achieve their PL-200 certification goals. With our practice test, you are not just getting a tool, you are becoming a part of supportive network that's here to help you succeed. Don't go it alone. Let's conquer the PL-200 exam together.